Hey, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to unbox the new iPad. So this is the lowest version of the iPad in the complete big series. So this iPad is actually launched on 15th September 2020. So this is the latest iPad 8th generation, which comes in two variants. There's 3 GB RAM and 32 GB, and there's another one 3 GB RAM and 128 GB. So this one is 3 RAM and 32 GB. I bought this for my sister, and so that's why it's kind of unboxed earlier. And this is like a gray black color. So I'll open it for you and we'll show you how it looks like. And you can see from the outside, there's just one jack that is 3.5mm jack for the audio, and there are 3 speakers inside, and there is a USB 2.0. There are speakers. They are kind of stereo speakers, and on the side you can see the volume buttons, power on button, and there's an 8-megapixel camera on the rear side. So you can see this is the completely new iPad, and in the box you will get some paperwork, and as always you get the Apple logo, some printouts, and there's this 2.0 GB, and this is for the iPad. You can put it on the other side, and this is for the jack, and this is the latest one. You can see like Apple has changed a lot of things, and in the iPhone 12 you can see there is no charger, but luckily we got something in here. So this kind of ports in here, and you got to charge it on the back side. So this is very simple, and it has some paperwork, and that is all about the charger. So coming to the iPad itself, you have to remember, like there's a front camera, and the inch of the size of this iPad is 10.2 inch, and it is a glass front, and there's an aluminum back, and it has no support card, or you can say SIM card, and it has a USB 2.0. It has a fingerprint sensor, you can see that, and there's a battery time of up to 10 hours if you completely charge it. So it's 32% now. If you completely charge it, it will run for about 10 hours if you're continuously using it. And this version is gray black, and it comes in, I guess, 2 to 3 versions. So hope you guys. So kind of my sister is using it, so there are some games downloaded already. And one thing more, there is no SIM card, and you can see that, so you can only use it on Wi-Fi. It is typically an iPhone, but like on a bigger screen. So there's nothing new about it. It's a very basic version. So there's nothing there. You get a FaceTime. Luckily in some smartphones in Asia you won't get FaceTime, but in here we got a FaceTime. And this is very simple review, and this is kind of a fast. I bought it like 8th generation is a fast, but according to design it looks similar to the last 7th generation. So hope if you think you like the review, or you're going to buy this iPad for your child, probably this is going to be a great idea. And when you buy it, make sure to open the Find Me, because this is actually very important, because sometimes you lose your cell phone or snatched out, so you are easy to find them. So if you think you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.